If you've ever wondered how to rate games on itch.io, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to leave a rating, how to write an optional review, and what to look for on the game page so you can do it in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open itch.io in your browser and go to the game page for the game you want to rate. This is the page where you'll usually find the game description, screenshots, download options, and community feedback. Once you're on the correct game page, scroll down until you reach the ratings or review section. Depending on the layout, this may be a little lower on the page, but you'll know you're in the right spot when you see the star rating area. Now look for the star symbol or the row of stars. This is the rating control on itch.io. Click on the stars to choose the rating you want to give the game. Usually, you'll select a star value based on how much you enjoyed it, how polished it feels, or how well it matches what you were expecting. Take a moment to pick the rating that best reflects your experience. After selecting your rating, itch.io may give you the option to leave a review or comment. This part is optional, but it's a great way to share helpful feedback with the developer or let other players know what you thought. If you want, type a short review in the comment box. You can mention what you liked, what stood out, or any suggestions you may have. Once your rating and review are ready, click Submit to save everything. That's it. Your rating will be added to the game page, and your feedback will be visible according to the site's settings. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference for indie developers who rely on player feedback to improve their games and reach more people. If you don't see the rating option right away, double-check that you're on the actual game page and not a different part of the site. Sometimes you may need to be signed in to your itch.io account before you can leave a rating or review. If that happens, just log in first, then return to the game page and repeat the steps. And that's how to rate games in itch.io. Open the game page, scroll to Ratings or Reviews, click the stars, choose your rating, add an optional comment, and submit. Super simple. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.